In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to Webflow website. Open your Webflow project in the designer so you're looking at the page where you want the video to appear. You'll see a highlighted area guiding you through the interface. Follow those highlights to open the Add panel and head into the Media section. From there, choose the video element. You can click to insert it or drag it onto the canvas where you want it to live. If you're placing it inside a layout, watch for the blue placement indicator so it drops into the right spot. With the video selected on the canvas, expand Show All settings to reveal everything you can control for this element. You'll notice the video component indicated in the settings, and you can click into Video Settings to access the embed options. If you see a Custom Attributes section, open it as well. That's useful when you need to add data attributes for advanced behavior, but you can leave it empty if you don't need it. Make sure the video element itself is selected either directly on the page or via the navigator. You'll see a highlighted input where you can type. Keep an eye on those highlights, as they'll show exactly which field you're editing. Next, look for Playback and Privacy sections. Expanding these lets you review playback controls and visibility preferences for the embed. If there's another Show All Settings toggle here, click it to keep everything visible while you work. In the right sidebar, you can switch between ID, Style, Settings, and Interactions. The ID field is handy if you plan to link directly to this section or target it with code. Style is where you adjust size and spacing so the video fits your layout. Settings is where you'll spend most of your time configuring the embed. Interactions is optional, but it's great if you plan to animate the video block or trigger effects. There's also a visibility control. Toggling hidden and then visible is a quick way to confirm how the element behaves in the layout without removing it. Under YouTube settings, paste your video URL into the URL field. Add a descriptive title so the element is easy to identify in your project. If you want the video to begin later, use Start At and set the time. As you adjust these fields, the preview on the canvas should update. That's it. You've inserted a video element, opened the full settings, reviewed playback and privacy, explored attributes and interactions, and added your YouTube URL, title, and start time. Your Webflow page now has an embedded video, ready to style and refine as you continue designing.